realize I'm speaking from my own bias here of like, this was I'll make $250,000 on this and I don't care. I'm never doing anything quite like this again. But it's okay to take the easy way out whenever it comes to a long-term investment decision. And that might just be buy the newest property. Yeah, is it not the best, perfect, most amazing financial decision? Who knows? But it's speed, which is so much more important.
Well, and if you listen to anybody who's ever heard about a burr, like go listen to that podcast and like tell me where they're from, because I guarantee you it's Omaha, Nebraska, or it's like middle of nowhere, North Carolina, or like it's these small towns where like, burring perhaps does work better there because the prices are cheaper and takes a lot less to get that 20%, you know? And so, and you kind of need like more units in those cheaper areas than in the more expensive ones. So,
yeah, I don't think the concept of adding value to a property and being able to get some of your capital out and having to put less total capital into it, there's nothing wrong with that. I think it's just this kind of myth or very rare instance where you get all or nearly all your capital out, especially in a place like Denver. That's just not going to happen. So
yeah.
I like the build and keep. I did that with a duplex last year and I still have about 70 grand into it, but that's far less than I would have had into it if I bought it from a builder who was just selling it at full market value. So that's another option. But
yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Okay. Continuing on this list, there was a couple other things you said that I just think are important to talk about because they're so common. They're so prevalent. Buying with no money down. You want to talk about that one?
It's nearly impossible to do.